75 laps, P10. We need to follow car number 9 in the outside column.
Green flag, next time by. Ready?
Mr. Banker.
Pace car,
I know anything about Mr. Banker.
Green, green, green. Inside. Go low, go low. 3 wide, you're on top. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Linda, 9, cowboy.
Pace cars out, line up single file behind car number 13. Safety cars out, pits are closed.
Ah, now looks like my race is over. That's fun. Wahoo.
Get stuff, 9, cha.
Martinsville tail they got. It's like you roll a dice. One race is awesome, one race sucks.
Pasta, 13, cha. Pit road is now open.
Pits are open.
Oh, we finally found the pace cup, boys.
Get stuff, 12, cha. Get stuff, 6, cha.
You doing, Paul? Being penalties?
Get stuff, 12, cha. Get stuff, 6, cha. Pit road is closed.
Safety cars out, pits are closed.
If you're not in the lead on the first lap, you can't win.
Okay, bud, green flag, next time by. Line up on the inside.
Alright then, get ready. Race will resume at the end of this lap.
39.083. Get ready, going green. Pace car's leaving. Green, green, green.
Racing.
36.571. Outside. Clear. Outside. Keep low.
The car in front of us is now over.
Clear to the top.
The leader has just done a
20,
19.7 V6. That was 20.7.
Yellow, yellow, yellow.
Watch out.
Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Get stop 5 car. Pass the pipe car.
We think Kern and Low have spun out.
Get stop 5 car.
Race cars out. Line up single file behind car 5. Full course yellow. Pits are
Pit
closed.
road is now open.
Safety car is out. Pits are now open.
Pit road is closed.
Safety cars out. Pits are closed.
Okay, bud, green flag, next time by.
Get ready.
Line up
Racing
on the
resume at the
inside.
end of this
Get
lap.
stop 10 car. 39, 40, 7, 2, 1. Get stop 10 car. Getting ready here, getting ready. Pace car's in. Green, green, green. You're fifth. 34.908. Outside. Clear outside.
That lap time was 20.7.
Got one inside, clear. Inside. You're up top, 3 wide. 22.005. Got one inside, still there. Keep it on top. Keep high. Keep it on top. Clear to the bottom. .783. Got one inside.
21.8.
.999. Inside. Stay right there. Clear inside. Inside. Stay high. clear inside. 21.167.
10th position.
Inside, clear inside. Got one inside, clear to the bottom.
Fucking serious, dude. God damn, must be your first time fucking
21.555.
That last lap was at 21.6. The gap ahead is
Yellow,
now
yellow, yellow.
1.2.
Line up
Course
single
yellow,
file.
watch out.
Pit road is closed. Catch stop 7 car.
We think that Miller has binned it. Full course yellow, it's a close.
Catch
Pace
stop
car is
7
out.
car.
Line up single file behind
Pit
car
road is
number
now
7.
open.
It's are open.
everybody. The high line is where it's at Martinsville. That's
Leader
right.
is
Catch
the high
stop
line.
4 car. Catch stop 7 car.
Adams in front is pitting. Watch your speed. The car behind's pitting.
Dumb piece of shit.
Box in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now. The lead car's pitting.
That's it, go! Line up single file. You went through the stop sign. Go to the end of the longest line. Let the 4 car by.
Safety car is out. Pits are now open.
Be at the bottom. Y'all can go by.
Let the 5 car by. Let the 6 car by. Let the 8 car by. Let the 4 car by. Let the 7 car by. Okay, bud, green flag next time by.
Okay, Van,
Line up
get
on
ready.
the
Race will
inside.
resume at the end of this lap.
41.547. Let the 14 car by. Getting ready here, getting ready. Pace car's in. Green flag, green flag. 32.054. Got one inside. Clear to the bottom. Got one outside. Stay low. Clear outside. 21.062.
E10. The car in front is over. You're pulling away from the guy behind. The gap's now 1.0 seconds.
20.614. Got one outside. Stay low. Stay low. 20.913
Last lap
clear.
time was at 20.9.
1.281. Got one outside. Clear outside.
Open. Restart
Yellow,
it.
yellow,
Get on
yellow.
it. All
Line
course
up
yellow.
single
Watch
file.
out.
Pit road is closed. Catch stop 3, car. Pass the pace car.
Hey, 4, I'd really prefer you to
Catch stop 3, car.
Appreciate it.
His car is out. Line up single file behind car number 14. Safety cars out. Pits are closed.
Excuse me, Mr. Derek, but what number?
Car 3 got the lucky dog. Let them pass on the outside. Pit road is now open. Catch stop 3, car. Catch stop 13,
Safety
car.
cars out. Pits are now open.
Not me. We're at Martinsville and I hit him in the corner on accident. It's not a big deal.
Oh, no. I was saying I got fucking raked in the back, dude. Bunch of dumbasses.
Catch stop 13, car.
Look out. Pit speed limit. Activate limiter.
4.
Box in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.
That's it, go! Okay, bud, green flag, next time by. Line up on the inside.
Going
Catch
green,
stop
next time
3,
by.
car. One minute 22.532. Getting ready here, getting ready. Pace car's in. Green, green,
Let's
green.
go.
Got a full car ahead on the bottom. Our stop down low.
We've got a
Go
full
high.
course yellow.
Yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Let the 6, car by. Catch stop 3, car.
We think that Dominguez has spun off. Pace car is out. Line up single
Catch
file.
stop 3,
behind
car.
number
Pass the
3.
pace car.
Safety cars out. Pits are closed.
Catch stop 3, car. Catch stop 3, car.
Half time!
Okay, we're halfway to the finish. Catch stop 3, car. Car 3 got the lucky dog. Let them pass on the outside. Catch stop 13, car.
Safety cars out, pits are closed.
Pit road is now open.
Pits are open.
Sketch stop 13, car.
Okay, Ben, you're halfway home. Got plenty of fuel.
Letter 5, cowboy.
Pits are open.
Okay, bud, green flag, next time by. Line up on the outside.
Okay, Ben, get ready. Race will resume at the end of this lap.
Sketch stop 5, car 39.802. Get ready, going green. Pace car's leaving. Green flag,
we're
green
racing.
flag. That car is a lap down. 31.04. Got one inside. Stay high. Keep high. Still there. Clear to the bottom. 20, 47,
Lap time
5,
was
7.
20.8.
Got one inside. 20,
Lap time was
881.
20.9.
Keep it on top. Stay high. Clear to the bottom. Inside. Clear to the bottom.
That lap was at
21.329.
21.3.
Got one inside. Clear inside. Inside. Stay right there. 20, 46, 7, 5.
That was
Clear inside.
20.7.
Low car down low. $20, 7, 5, 8. Outside. Still there. Clear.
Okay, Ben, the next car is no ingress.
$21.052. Got one inside. Clear inside. Got one inside. Clear. 21.577.
The track temperature's rising. It's now 38 Celsius. There's a car rejoining in front.
20.914. That car is a lap down. Got one outside. That car is not a lead lap car. Clear. .058.
The lap time was at 20.8.
.924. .978.
You've just done a 20.0. Just done a 20.8.
.304. 20 to go to stripe. .874. .435. .871.
That lap time was 20.9. Just done a 24.3.
Got one inside. Clear to the bottom.
That was at 21.5.
.821. Got one inside. Keep it on top. Clear. 22.003. .661. .045. .27. Then they go to strike.
21.3.
.1.053. Yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Pass the pace car. Catch the 5 car. Catch the 5 car.
Full course yellow. Pits are closed. Pace car is out. Line up single file behind car number.
Catch the 5 car.
Nice racing, over.
Car 5 got the lucky dog. Let them pass on the outside. Pit road is now open.
Safety car is out. Pits are now open. Watch your speed. Engage the limiter. Box in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.
That's it, go! Line up single file. Catch the 10 car. Looks like this is the final time we'll try for a green-white checkered finish.
Safety car is out. Pits are now open.
Past the 8 car. Catch the 10 car. Past the 8 car. Catch the 10 car. Past the 5 car. Green flag, next time by.
Safety car
Line up on the outside. Catch the 10 car. 31.866. Ready. Pace car's in. Green, green, green. 2 to go. 30.882. Go low. Got one outside. White flag next time by his stripe. Clear outside. 20.658.
Last lap.
Got one inside. Slow car down low. Keep high. Go high. Stay right there. Clear inside. Slow car down low. Go high.
P10. Okay, we're done.
That's the checkered flag. Great job, driver.
Watch your speed limit in the pits. Activate limiter. Box in 5.
The race is over.
3, 2, 1. Box now.
That's it, go!